Hi guys, we're making today a chocolate
Cheesecake.
chocolate cheesecake.
Yes.
Now we're gonna eat the sprinkles and go eat
Not
some.
yet. Not yet. We are going to make mini chocolate cheesecake. So, all we need is lemon square cheesecake. Ayan. Ito po, binalatan ko na siya. We need melted chocolate or chocolate syrup. So, nilagay ko siya dito sa ganito para mas madali lang i-spread mamaya. And then, we need the sprinkles. Ayan, sprinkles.
Yes, my sprinkles is my favorite sprinkles ever.
And we also need this lemon square cookie bites. Ito.
Wow, lemon square cookie bites.
Yeah.
Cookie bites. That's so yummy.
Yes,
Yummy.
that's so yummy. Ayan, so kinrush ko lang ito. Ayan, ganyan. Kinrush ko lang siya para ita-toppings natin mamaya sa mini chocolate cheesecake. Ayan, so mag-start na tayong gumawa. So, ang ginamit ko na lemon square cheesecake is yung big cupcake nila. Ayan. So, all we need to do is slice the cheesecake in half. Ayan. So, syempre, si Mami yung gagawa nito para hindi mahiwa si baby. So, kaya natin siya hiniwa in half para lagyan natin siya ng chocolate syrup sa gitna.
Yes. Careful not to.
Careful. Oh. Ayan. So, Jace is helping me put chocolate syrup. That's nice. Very good. So, this is a nice bonding activity na din with kids. Oh, no, not yet, baby. Oh.
That's so real funny.
So, gagawin ko lang is, ikakalat ko yung chocolate.
I'm helping Mommy to put sprinkles in to the chocolate
Yeah,
cake.
later po, we will put many sprinkles as you want.
Yes, I'll grab the many sprinkles I want. I want to eat all the many sprinkles.
You love sprinkles. Meron na siya sa gitna ng chocolate.
Hey.
Ibabalik natin yung half niya. Ayan, ganyan lang sa gitna. Oh, we need to put chocolate again. Yan. That's right. More.
Hey, Mommy.
Yes.
Careful. You might spill it on that. I'm real
Oh, you're tired. You didn't do anything and then you're tired na. Oh my God.
Can we put sprinkles in?
Not yet.
Be careful not to spread the sprinkles. Whoa, so cold.
Oh, you put sprinkles na. And now, Jay's putting sprinkle on the top of it. I'll finish the rest of the cupcakes. Yay! Enough sprinkles. Enough na. That's too many sprinkles.
I like too many sprinkles on one side.
So here's our mini chocolate cheesecake.
Yeah! Bye-bye. I shall again see you in my house.
Bye! See you again next time.
See you again next time and happy and rise up.
Mwah! So, nakalimutan na namin ilagay yung cookie bites. Sobrang na-excite si Jay sa sprinkles, kaya nakalimutan na namin yung cookie bites. And here's the finished product. Nilagyan ko lang din ng chocolate sa plate. And ayan.